All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. Hey, let's check this out here. 40 by 80, actually barndominium here. You can see with an enclosed porch. Let's get inside so no land damage. You can see what they're doing on the enclosed porch here, a 10-foot, actually more than 10 foot. I believe this is a 16-foot section that they're coming off the building here. But 40 by 80 barndominium set up. And then what we did is we framed it up. We walked away from the building. We let the concrete guys come in, pour the concrete, as you can probably see right here. See that the concrete guys came in, poured the concrete, and you can see how in this section right here. Now this section is going to be used, this enclosed porch, it's going to be used for kind of a quasi room. But you can see here we got 3-ply laminated columns, and the masons came in and poured 4-inch. And you can see the guys are working on the other open porch over there. A little loud over there. So let's stay in here for the time being here. But you can see this is getting prepped up. So again, 40 by 80, 16 feet tall. And you can kind of see the setup here. Look at those beautiful trusses up there. Again, 4 foot on center trusses. Again, that's a 2100. That's a 2100 MSR lumber used on that. What MSR stands for is machine stress rated lumber. Now we use the vapor barrier. As you can probably see that black stuff above the trusses there. We use the vapor barrier on the trusses, and then the house wrap, as you can see here. You can see what's going on. But really, the beauty on a pole barn, you can see how. Just check this out. You can see the clearance, see the headroom that you can get, the depth, the height on a post frame. Look at that, a 40-foot width. And look at all this open space that this homeowner is going to have for the barndominium. You can see over there, the guys over there are knocking out that open porch. As you probably can hear that. So wanted to give you an idea here how we're setting that up there. You can see
your destination is on the left.
Windows here. Nice silver line windows up top. So again, the design of this building here, out in the country, but it's going to be a nice setting here. And then you got these Pella door right there, and also a double entry door as well. So kind of give you an idea what you can do. Again, we do things in sequence, but definitely different options as far as, you know, and really what's the cost difference between a barndominium, a post frame, and a stick frame. You know, I tell you, you know, without a big time foundational cost, you know, you're going to be looking at 20-30%, and that's probably a pretty accurate number and so forth. But you can see these guys, they're knocking out the porch section. But let's give you some depth perception over here. You can see again a 40 by 80 barndominium in process out here in Crawford County, Ohio, actually Morrill County, Ohio. And so that kind of gives you an idea what you can do. So we'll come back, and when more progress being made, we'll cut another video. So like the video, boom, smash the thumbs or the like button, and then we'll keep rocking and rolling. Until next one, keep it locked and loaded right here at Lumber.